dear streamers, we are back again for another more bigger episode for today's video. See this? How considerate, how thoughtful, how demure. This is one of my income here on Nikki App. Very thoughtful, very demure. So this video will feature proofs of income from Nikki App directly to our account. Very considerate, very thoughtful, very cutesy, very fast. For only 1 to 2 hours after withdraw, you will receive it on your account. So what are you waiting for? Download Nikki Live app now and see you on your stream. Bye!